Today we're going to diagnose, repair, and calibrate a Whirlpool Cabrio washer. What's going on with this thing? Well, it's not spinning and it's leaving all the clothes wet. So the first thing that we need to do is do a diagnostic. And what we're going to do is we're going to take the dial from 12 o'clock and spin it all the way to the left and then 3 times to the right, 1 time to the left, and 1 time to the right. And now all your status lights are flashing. Turn it 1 more time to the right, and the done light will be on. Press start. That starts the diagnostic mode. Turn it 1 more time to the right, and now we see that it's throwing an F7, E6, and F7, E5. You can go to SearsPartsDirect.com and look at your codes to figure out what's going on. F7, E5 is a shift actuator fault. We did get an actuator, and we're going to replace that. It's very simple. But we also got the splutch too. We're going to change up the splutch. Well, of course, turn off the water, right? And unplug the darn thing. We're not dumb. One of the best lights I ever got. It's magnetic. Alright, so we just tipped this upside down. And this is the actuator that we're going to replace right here. And we're going to also replace the splutch, which is right behind here. So we're just going to take this off. And now we're going to take this nut off. All right, with a 13 millimeter, we're going to take off the nut. And I can't seem to get that damn thing open, so I'm going to use the drill. All right, so take off the nut. Take that off. All right, so we're going to take this off. Goes around the actuator, and these two come off here. Nice. And then we pull off the spring. Kind of looks dirty, not horrible. And here's the new. However, we're going to now disconnect this. 2 little tabs, 1 on each side. Pull those, it comes right off. There we go. This is just held together. We're held on by 2 screws. Okay, 2 long green screws, and then this thing just pulls off. So that's the old one, and this is the new one. So I screwed in the new one. Let's put it in place. Now we're just going to reassemble. Okay, so put the spring on. We're going to put this on. So we're going to put this on here. And then we're going to connect that. And then bring this around. Now that's connected. Let's go put this on. I can't find the video of me putting this on, but it only goes on one way, so it's very easy. It just clips in with the 4 different tabs. There we go. Nice and solid now. And then tighten it up. Now look at the difference. It's like it's just so hard for me to move that. And the other one was just, spun around with, using my finger. It was just totally destroyed. Big difference. All we gotta do is put this back on, which that's the easy part. Here we go. Wash clothes. After you plug it in and turn on the water, now we have to calibrate. From noon. Turn 1 to the left, 3 to the right, then left and right. All your status lights will come on. Now we're going to move it to the right until you see the rinse on. And now we're going to hit start. That starts the calibration. Now it's going to make a lot of popping, clicking, and crazy noises. The water's going to turn off, it's going to spin, but that's what the calibration is all about. When the lead lock turns off, it's done. So please give me a thumbs up. That really helps a lot. If this has helped you, please leave a comment below. And of course, subscribe and share. Have a great day and thank you for watching.